How to set up Wells Fargo custom alert. In order to set up Wells Fargo custom alert, you want to first log into your account. So once you're logged into your Wells Fargo online banking account, you need to go ahead and find and select manage alert section. As you've done that, choose the checking and savings or credit or loan account you want to set alert for. Now, check the inbox or check the box for a specific alert like large transaction, online purchase, eating withdrawals. Enter the dollar amount threshold for a transaction alert like any single purchase over $50. Then you want to choose how you want to receive alert like email, text, or push notification. And you then need to go ahead and save your customized alert settings. And once you've actually set your customized alert, you could go ahead and make sure to enable or save the changes. And that's how you're going to set up Wells Fargo custom alert. So this way you're supposed to set up a Wells Fargo custom alert. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.